Disclosures. What to disclose? This is vital to ensure that you are safe during and after the sale. I highly suggest going over all the disclosures with your agent prior to the home going on the MLS and at least prior to the buyer seeing your home. We want them to have previously viewed the disclosures prior to making an offer. This will help ensure the buyer doesn't back out from the things they have already been made aware of. In California, there's a massive amount of disclosures that need to be filled out in order to keep the seller's liability at a minimum. This is actually a safety net not only for the buyer but also for the seller. As a seller, you are required to disclose not only items about the house but also about the surrounding area that may be pertinent to the buyer's knowledge. I'm happy to say that after 30 years, I have never been involved in a lawsuit. So I like to make you aware of how important the disclosures are. When you're selling, anything that has ever been replaced, repaired, modified, added, fixed, or changed needs to be disclosed. Yes, even new paint or carpets, new lighting, water heater, etc. You need to disclose everything. One of my most common sayings to my clients is, if you have to ask me if you should disclose it, the answer is almost always going to be yes. Over disclosure is always the best. My job is to keep you out of the courtroom. You want the buyer to know anything and everything you know about the house and the surrounding area that could have a negative impact on the desirability or price of the home. When you disclose properly, you don't have to worry about anything coming back to you later, telling you that they didn't know or you didn't tell them, and try and extract more money from you. Obviously, you can only disclose what you know about. If there are issues with the property that you were unaware of, and the buyer would have to prove that you didn't know and intentionally kept that from them in order for them to win anything in court. So disclose, disclose, disclose.
This is Vickie Harris, eXp Realty.
Your real estate resource.